Top 3 ridiculous ancient myths about animals, debunked by science. Number 3, chickens are evil witches in disguise. In some cultures, if a chicken crowed at night, it meant someone was about to die. So grandma didn't eat eggs. She thought she'd get cursed by poultry sorcery. Number 2, rabbit ears grow when someone nearby tells a lie. Forget lie detectors, just carry a bunny. If its ears twitch, somebody's guilty. Ancient CSI Rabbit Edition. And number 1, cats are antennas for the gods. Why else do they stare at walls or knock stuff off your desk at 3 a.m.? They're receiving divine downloads or causing divine chaos. Science says these myths are bogus, but your cat just blinked at a ghost. So, subscribe to this channel before it hisses at your Wi-Fi.